All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Second last day for the month of October, and boy, has the month of October lived up to the hype. But you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about XRP, what is happening with the price of XRP, and what is yet to come as we enter the month of November. So if you find these type of videos interesting, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more. But now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the price of XRP on the daily time frame, it's up 3.4% on the daily. And if we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, it's only up about 12%. And that is a question that I'm getting quite a bit right now. And a lot of people are confused. There's so much positive news coming out for XRP right now, but yet it is, lagging behind, with the likes of Solana, Render, Bitcoin, BSV. So why is that the case? Why is XRP not outpacing these coins or keeping up with them? So settle down, guys. We're going to talk about that. So if we're looking at the price of XRP right now on the daily time frame, it's currently sitting at 57.8 cents. Up 3.5% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 4.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap is currently sitting at $31 billion, guys. Yes, you've heard that correct. 31 billion with a B. And the 24-hour trading volume is also above $1 billion, to be exact, 1.36 billion. So not bad at all. It's going unnoticed. XRP right now is going unnoticed. But one thing I want you guys to look at is its market cap. Market cap is quite high, $31 billion. But even that is, nothing when hype really comes into play. This can get a lot of money flowing into it. We've seen this happen when they won that lawsuit. We saw 20 billion. Guys, we saw $20 billion flow into XRP in a single day. And if that does not get you excited, I don't know what will. But, like I said, it's going unnoticed. And let me share one of the best indicators to tell that. If we're looking at the Google Trends right now, over the past 90 days, we're seeing this upwards trajectory forming for, the worldwide searches happening for XRP. People are searching more than ever right now. But, this is also a good thing and a bad thing. Once you see everyone talking about XRP, that is when you realize, hey, what, everyone is in. I think I need to start locking in my profits. But I think we're far, far, far away from that type of hype. But that is coming. That is coming. And, it's just a matter of when, not a matter of if at this point. But let's take a closer look at this. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the XRP ledger has reached a significant milestone, this time in terms of the number of NFTs minted on the platform. Over 3 million NFTs have been minted on the XRP ledger according to Bithom statistics. Currently, 3.34 million total NFTs have been minted with the XLS20 standard. A total 3 million NFTs currently exist with 30,966 owners. Total issuers are now 5,828, while 347,361 NFTs have been burned. NFT transfers stood at 1.4 million. And also you can see XRP Ledger saw NFT growth last quarter. On-chain analytics firm Messari released a Q3 report for XRP over the weekend detailing the progress and milestone accomplished in the previous quarter. XPRL experienced a 390% increase in DEX volumes, with much of this activity coming shortly after the landmark Ripple ruling in July. XRP's market cap increased by 60% year to date in the third quarter. And again, not a surprise to any one of us. We know the significance of this win. And of course, this win could not have come at a better time, in my opinion. We are seeing, bull market once again. Here it's, I know a lot of people are going to be thinking, hey, what do you mean bull market is here? Yes, guys, let me repeat, a bull market is here. Look at the price of Bitcoin, and slowly but surely we're seeing altcoins also carry on. Yes, we're not seeing that explosive type of move, but we are seeing a lot of coins breaking out of their consolidation phase, and I think XRP's time is very near. So let's discuss that. If we're looking at the price of XRP right now, let me take you guys down memory lane. And I know there's a lot of new money coming into the markets. And, when people do enter the cryptocurrency market, majority of the people look into Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, the top 5 to top 10 coins, because those are the ones that are talked about the most. And those are the ones that have majority of the market valuation. That's how people usually enter the markets. And of course, without a doubt, XRP has that, fan base, especially the hype factor built around it. And now let's discuss this consolidation phase that I'm referring to. So let me take you guys down memory lane, especially if you're coming new into the markets. Let me give you guys a background. When XRP was fairly new, this is one of the first projects I entered in the crypto markets. So basically, of course, as a fiat gateway, I converted my dollars into Ethereum, and then from Ethereum, I remember on Bitfinex, good times, guys. Back in 2016, I bought XRP, and it was really, really cheap, and I rode the wave all the way up to its all-time high at $3.35. And of course, we saw a massive retracement. A bear market came and a lot of consolidation, and then of course the lawsuit came as well. So we didn't really see all-time highs getting retested. We went up to the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level at $1.91, but pretty much never broke past that, never went into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. But what we're seeing happening right now is this resistance coming to an end, and this is where the consolidation phase that I'm referring to and how important this is. If we're looking at it from the bigger time frame, you guys will be able to understand what I'm really referring to. So let me show you guys. Let me paint this picture for you guys. When you look at the visuals, that's when you understand everything. So right now, if we're looking at this resistance at 58 cents, and as a matter of fact, we're literally sitting right at that. Wow, what a coincidence. We're literally sitting at that resistance right now, and you guys can see this for yourself how important this consolidation phase has really been. Even in the previous bear market, we pretty much held around here, and once we broke out of this level of resistance, that's when we saw that massive spike come in to play. And of course, pretty much since May of last year, we were trading below this resistance. So one thing I want you guys to note is we never retested the March 2020 lows. Of course, that was during the pandemic. Those are some factors that we need to keep into consideration. The lowest we've seen in 2020 is around this 30 cents mark, but we've pretty much been trading literally the same zone in terms of accumulation, and this accumulation is coming to an end very, very soon. And look at this for yourself. The countless of times the price of XRP has tried to break out of here. You can't make this up, guys. There's been on September of last year, even at the beginning of this year in March, as well as in June, and of course finally saw that spike up, and then this time around as well, we're seeing the price breaking out. And once this thing breaks out, guys, we're looking at targets such as the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which are at 84 cents. And if I were to bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 47.6%. And this is where things get really exciting. And pay close attention to what happened last time once we broke out of this level of resistance. We had similar situation playing out in November. We saw this resistance get retested 2 different times, and then we even went all the way back down to 17 cents, and then the third time was a charm, and we broke out and went literally straight up to this $1.96, so almost $2, you could say. And this time around, the same thing is shaping up, and this time around it's going to be way bigger. I think we will see an all-time high come way faster because of course it never had its run in the previous bull cycle. So I'm very, very confident that XRP is going to shock a lot of people. It's running at a this consolidation phase, and I think the time is coming to an end. And if it's able to hit a new yearly high before the end of the year, I think we are about to retest this $1.24 resistance, and that would be the best way to close out the year of 2023 in my opinion. And then of course in 2024 hit an all-time high. So if that's 121% move, and I could honestly see that happening if we're able to get back into the 78.6 in the month of November, and onwards we go. So I know a lot of people tend to ignore this, but XRP is being talked about more than ever before. More and more people are excited, and if you think last year when it went to $2 and you were kicking yourself saying it's went to $2, now there's a chance for people to be reaccumulating it at a 57 cents price. So that's a 3x discount from the last year's price. And I think that XRP is going to hit an all-time high, and a lot of people will be shocked at this time around. I think there's so much positive news that we do not know even about. Of course, we haven't seen XRP go public, and that is also one of the big ones that will be a driving force. But of course, as this ETF were to be approved, the money flows into the top 10 coins, and majority of the whales tend to only trade the top 10 coins. If you're not familiar with this, I've shared this story with you guys before on my other videos. So what majority of the whales do, and when I say whales, we're talking six figures. We're talking six figures to even seven figures. Guess what? If someone puts in 500,000 or even $1 million into XRP, and XRP were to pull up to even its last year highs, that's a 3x. That's $4 million. And generally these whales only are in for that. They don't really go exploring for the degen type of coins. So that is something I want you guys to keep in mind. And there's a lot of eyes on XRP. You'd be surprised, and I think there's a lot of good things shaping up for it. But yeah, it's going to be one step at a time. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more XRP updates, and what are your personal thoughts. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.